Let's work on challenge questions of IXL Precalculus A4. Find values using function graphs. So we are trying to find f of 2. f of 2. So let's get our pencil here. So since x equals 2, f of 2 would be 1. This value is 1. So let's go ahead and type 1 over here. Y equals 1 when x equals 2. So in this case, we want y to be 7. So y to be 7. So that's going to be right over here. No, I'm sorry. Of course it's not. 7 right here. So in order to make y 7, x can take two values, these two. So x is either negative 8, so f of negative 8 is 7, negative 8, or, and, so x is, I think that's this value. So if you go this way, it's 10. f of 10 is equal to 7. f of 10 and f of negative 8 is equal to 7. So these are the two values. All right, so we want f of x to be 0. That means y has to be 0. So if y is 0, then there are 2x, no, there are 3x values. This one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. So f of this is negative 9. f of negative 9 is equal to 0. So the first value is negative 9. f of negative 3 is equal to 0. And f of 7, 6, 7, 8, 7, f of 7 is equal to 0. So these are the solutions. All right, so g of x equals negative 1. g of x equals negative 1. So we want y to be negative 1, right? So we want y to be negative 1. This is negative 1. And I see only one x value here. So if y is negative 1, so I'm finding the corresponding x value. So it's right here, this point right here. f of 9, or g of 9 is negative 1. So I cannot see any other value that makes y negative 1. So when x is 9, y is negative 1. So this is going to be 9. And I think this is the last question. So we want y to be negative 3 because f of x is negative 3 right here. So if I go left or right, so I'm going to have this point right here. I'll have this point right here. So what are the x values? So here, this is negative 10. And how about this one? This is 10. f of negative 10 and f of 10 are negative 3. So f of negative 10 is negative 3 and f of 10 is negative 3. All right, that's it. Thank you.